guys, Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here today to talk to you about one of our bicep curl variations involving a pair of dumbbells. This is going to be all about the bicep curl 21s. Now, the name 21 actually denotes 3 stages of this particular exercise. It's going to be 7 partial repetitions starting from the bottom, going midway up, 7 partial repetitions starting from the top and going midway down, and then 7 full range of motion repetitions, okay? And that's done in one big long set. So I'm first going to demonstrate it for you, and as I demonstrate, I'm going to walk you through the exercise. I'm going to start dumbbells neutral position right by my side. Now when I start, I'm going to go right about midway up, maybe a little bit higher than that, and then all the way back down. And I'm going to perform 7 repetitions right like so. Now as you notice, I am rotating my dumbbells at the bottom so that I can get a good stretch on my biceps, okay? You can keep those hands pronated position the entire time if you like, if you're able to get that good stretch, but if you need to, for full extension, you can rotate as well. After I've done 7 reps there, I'm going to bring it all the way up to the top, and then I'm going to go 7 reps midway down, right like this. I'm not going to stop here, I'm going to stop until I get a good stretch. I really want to encourage, and this is going to be another coaching cue for your clients to stop midway down that second phase wherever it's least comfortable, okay? Now notice as I'm doing this, I'm keeping my elbows forward. This is going to be a lot easier than this is going to be as far as bicep loading. Now my third phase, my final 20 reps, is going to be on full range of motion, bringing my elbows forward to the top, lowering in a controlled and strict manner, emphasizing my biceps the entire time, okay? If you have somebody that really struggles with picking up this particular movement, I would substitute in a simpler dumbbell exercise, something like a regular dumbbell bicep curl. Once they've grasped the core concepts on a dumbbell bicep curl, then they can advance up to something more challenging like our bicep curl 21s. Anyway, give those coaching cues a try the next time we do bicep curl 21s in one of our bootcamp workouts.